What is going on, everybody? Judd Burdon here from Asphalt Kingdom, and today we are going to speak about alligator cracks. Alligator cracks form on parking lots, on driveways, on any asphalt pavement surfaces. You see, what happens is asphalt gets dry and gray, you get a little crack, water gets inside, erodes the foundation, cause further spider webbing of cracks that then turn into what we call alligator cracks. Okay, so once you have alligator cracks on a parking lot or driveway surface, water really gets into all those cracks because it's a lot of dense cracks that are all over in one area. And then what happens is the water erodes that foundation, causing potholes and depressions that are safety liability issues, and also will fast track that driveway or parking lot, any pavement asset, to needing replacement quickly. Winter's around the corner. It's time to seal up all those alligator cracks, and we have great news. You can use Gator Patch. Gator Patch comes in a 5-gallon pail. It's like a thick mud or mortar. You literally scoop it out onto the pavement surface and you spread it out with a squeegee. There's a few things that you want to do in order to make sure you have a successful outcome in making sure that you've repaired those alligator cracks. And we've got Adam Wellman, a seasoned vet in the industry, who is going to show us the A to Z to using Gator Patch and repairing alligator cracks properly for the long term so that they're sealed up, preventing water from getting in. Adam, take it away.
Hey, good afternoon, Judson. Today we're going to be doing a little project. We're going to show you how to properly apply our Gator Patch. A few things that you're going to need: 16-inch steel wire broom for cleaning out the debris, your 24-inch neoprene squeegee for applying it, and obviously your pail of Gator Patch. Let's get at it. All right, Judd, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to clean out all the debris and loose stone from the alligator areas. So this is where your 16-inch wire broom comes in handy. As you can see, it easily cleans out the cracks, removing all of the loose asphalt. You don't want any of that in there because all that's going to do is make your bond a little less nice. And as you can see, it doesn't take much effort to get those alligator areas nice and clean. And the 16-inch wire broom is very helpful with that. All right, so the next process after we've cleaned all the cracks out with our steel wire broom, you're going to want to blow this area off so that you don't get any loose stone in the mix. Okay, so now that we've got this whole area prepped and ready to roll, we're going to go ahead and apply our Gator Patch. Just remember when you're applying a Gator Patch that you want to make sure that you use thin coats, not real heavy coats, and also you're not seal coating this area. You're actually crack filling this area. So the process of seal coating isn't the same. So let's get at it. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Gator Patch, and you're going to apply a little bit of the material down over top of this. You don't want to pour a whole lot out to get going, just a little bit to get started, and then we'll work it in. So now you take your neoprene squeegee and we start to move this around and get it in there good. And as you can see, it's going down nice and smooth. That nice thin coat over top of the alligator area. Mastic patches typically take longer to cure out, so you want to make sure that you're using thin coats and going back and forth over top of the material. Really want to make sure that you get all the cracks filled, all the voids done. do small areas to begin with. You're not doing this over a whole driveway or a whole parking lot. So, and also when you're applying this, there's going to come times where you have to go side to side on this material to thin it out and get it ready. And as you can see, it doesn't matter with this stuff as much as your sealer, because you're going to be seal coating over top of this anyway. As you can see, now we're going to go side to side on this material. Sometimes you're going to have to do that to work the material into the cracks, so that you get a nice thin coat. As you can see, the Gator Patch is now turning colors. That's because we put it on in a thin coat and it's beginning to cure out already. Keep in mind that sometimes you're going to need more than one coat to finish the job. Just make sure that you got all your excess wiped up off the sides where you don't want it, because it will harden and leave an imperfection in the pavement. As you can see, it's curing out really nice. We're going to prepare to do the second coat here and get everything leveled up and ready for the seal coat. Okay, Judd, so we got the first coat applied, and as you can see, just like any other mastic patch that is out there, you get a little bit of shrinkage. That's why we always recommend 2 thin coats of material so that you can fill the voids, and it'll leave you with a beautiful professional seal job here. So we're going to go ahead and quickly apply this second coat. We're going to use the same technique, going back and forth over top of this. To fill in all the voids. And as you can see, it's getting nice and smooth. Most of the imperfections are disappearing. That's why we recommend the second coat.
Adam, what kind of coverage rate would you get with this Gator Patch?
The Gator Patch, you're getting anywhere from 20 to 50 square foot per gallon, depending on how bad your surface is.
Perfect. What's usually the drying time on the Gator Patch for today?
Drying time depends on the weather, obviously. We were able to second coat this in as little as a half hour.
Oh, that's great. That sounds like it saves time and money.
Yes, it does. And then you just want to fine tune your edges, getting any excess off and spread into the mix. All right, Judd, so we finished up our second coat here. We're going to let this cure out. As you can see, the second coat really hides those voids. Cleanup on Gator Patch is simple, just water. Just make sure that you get your tools clean before they dry off. But as you can see, it fills in the voids very nicely.
Adam, thank you so much, man. That was awesome. Everybody, as you can see, alligator cracks are really easily repaired with Gator Patch. You see, Gator Patch comes in 5-gallon pails. We sell it by the half pallet or the full pallet for bulk discounts. So make sure you check us out at asphaltkingdom.com. under our Gator Patch product. You can buy in bulk, half skid, or by the pail. Check us out. Looking forward to hearing your feedback about Gator Patch, and please do comment below with any questions that you might have. We're always here to help, or give us a call at 866-399-5562. We look forward to earning your business. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. Click the subscribe button, click the notifications so you get notified every time we push awesome content out. Thanks, everyone.
If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video, or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.